life. Yes, this is a very spiritual activity, but we don't disregard the physical welfare of people. Yun eh. Alam mo, it's a very beautiful spiritual exercise. You are able to express your faith in God, your devotion to God. But mind you, God is also after the welfare of our body, our physical body. Gift din ng Panginoon yan. At yung katawan natin, yung ginagamit natin para itaguyod yung ating mga mahal sa buhay at tuparin yung plano ng Diyos sa buhay natin. So, ganun ka-importante ang ating katawan. Yun po yung pinaka. So, please, hindi pa ilang oras pa bago makarating po yung ating andas, I would like to ask and appeal to everyone, please say a little prayer na hindi na mag-increase yung number of casualties, and then makabalik yung andas dito sa simbahan, and most especially, makabalik ang mga kadiboto natin ng ligtas sa kanilang pamilya, sa kanilang tahanan. Maraming salamat po.
Okay, thank you so much, Father Ramon J.